Good morning everyone. I'm Aisha Ahmed from Greenstark, and today we are going to discuss a very important topic which has made millions of people in India lose their lives: water scarcity, or in other words, water crisis. Water scarcity has become a big problem in India, making people lose their lives. In India, people are running for water because they don't have water for even drinking, let alone other needs. Many places in India, such as Mumbai, Delhi, and Chennai, don't even have water for drinking. But many houses which have water are wasting it by water tank overflow. There are some places in India which have water, but what are they doing? They are wasting it by water tank overflow. Every day tons of water is being wasted because of water tank overflow in almost every home. But many people don't know the solution of this. Many people are asking, what is the solution of this? But now you don't have to worry. That's because Greenstark Electronics has introduced automatic pump controller. This device not only switches on and off the pump automatically but also gives 100% protection to your pump. But many people are worried about their pump. This device not only conserves water for you but also protects your pump from voltage fluctuation, overload as well as dry run. Your pump is safe with us. Sometimes when the motor is running but the water is not flowing into the tank, there are chances that your motor gets burned. But with this device, it automatically switches off the motor when the water is not flowing into the tank, thus saving your pump from getting burned. This device also protects your pump from voltage fluctuation. For example, when the voltage is high, it automatically switches off your pump, thus saving it, as well as it switches off your pump when the voltage is low. This device also protects your pump from overload. Experience peace of mind knowing that your water system is in good hands with automatic pump controller. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Upgrade to the automatic pump controller today. For more information, you can visit our website, which is www.greenstark.in. You can also call us for more information on 9801779787, and you can also email us on info@greenstark.in. With this, we come to the end of our today's video. You can subscribe our channel if you like it. Thank you.